Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's MJ. If you're a new member here, please feel free to subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always subscribing. So guys, this intro I'm doing after doing the video because I'd forgotten to do the intro. But in this video we are all about good things, good things, good things, good things. So First of all, guys, happy new month. It's the month of April, and the month of April is my favorite month in the year because what? Say it, guys. Say it. Boom! It's my birthday month. Yes, the month of April is my birthday month, and I'm always glad and happy because it's another month. It's another year. So I get to turn a year older, which I'm very grateful for. So yeah, so this month we're just gonna love it. We don't have a choice. We do not have a choice. But happy new month, guys. Too much rambling. Welcome to this video. If you're a new person in this video, we do content around lifestyle, fashion, cooking videos, and everything nice, everything about my life. I give it to you. I learn from you, and you also learn from me, guys. So if this is the kind of content that you need, that needs to encourage your life, sis, oh my goodness, this is the place you need to be, because my life is just an ordinary life, nothing much to it. So if you just like seeing how simple people can live, or how simple people are, just join the gang. You thought your life was boring, you thought your life was not the right, it was not on the right track, sis, be a member of this vlog, be a member of this team. You will be encouraged. Anyway, guys, let's get into the video. So guys, before I show you the new member of our house, first let me unbox with you this little cutie. I got it from Miniso. It's just written like that, and this is the girl. I don't even want to open it. It's a very, very cute, nice umbrella. I got it from Miniso. It was going for, I don't know, I can't remember. If I remember, I'll show you. I don't remember, to be honest. But yeah, I'll also open it with you guys. So let's welcome the new member of our house. Guys, the time for cutting the cake is here. The time for unveiling the new member of our house is here. Oh. I don't know if you guys are able to see the new member of our house. So that's the new member of our house. You can be able to see clearly. Yes. Yeah, that's her. She's the new member of our house. Guys, I don't know how much this thing costed. It's a gift for my birthday. My cousin gifted it to me for this year for my birthday. Yeah, I'm so blessed. I don't know, but so we're gonna unbox it together so that we see what it has, or what it has to offer. I don't know. Yes, so let's unbox it together. I think that's better. So yeah, so let's just unbox it. Yes. Oh my goodness. Guys, she killed it. She nailed this thing. Oh my goodness, she nailed this thing. Ooh. Wow. Hey. Guys, this is what I mean when I say talk to the universe. Imagine she got a the color that I want. Okay, she got the color of the theme of my kitchen. Sweetie, sweetie, okay, I love you so very much. Thank you for this gift. I'm just so grateful. So, hey, oh my goodness, how are we even going to, hey. Guys, it's a bit heavy. It's a bit heavy. I think I'll put this box down and then remove it and then bring it back. Okay? Yeah. Because like this, I don't feel like it's working for me. Oh, oh. Yeah, guys, that's our new baby. This is the manual or what? Yeah, it's the manual. That's it. That's the model. So, yeah, it's a digital one. You guys can see. So, this is the babe. This is the babe. It's nice. guys. Oh, I cannot even say. I cannot even say how much glad I am and how much I'm so grateful for this gift. Like I'm just so grateful. Like, yeah, this is what it comes with. This is the plate, and then it comes also with this, and then that's how it looks inside. You guys can see, and you can also see it goes well with the theme of my kitchen, that is gray. So she knew, like she watches my vlogs, so she knows. So it's gray and it's white inside and gray outside. You guys know very well that's the theme for my kitchen. So yeah, yes. So that's our new member. That's the new member in our house. And I like the fact that it has this thing, like it doesn't have buttons. So that's how the back looks. It's a RAM 320 microwave. That's the power capacity and whatever. I don't know how many liters this is. So yeah, and then it comes with this. It just comes like that. So let's see where we're gonna place it. Guys, where do you place it? I was intending to place it here. Where do you place your microwaves? Like this, but at the same time it will take a lot of space here. So my intention is to place it on top of the fridge. So let's just work out something. So guys, currently this is what is on top of my fridge. So let's just reset the place. So this is you guys hanging here. I don't want to interfere. Okay. So, oh my goodness, on top of my fridge was quite dusty. Yes, you can see how the theme is bringing the vibe, and it's matching so well. So well, the girl is matching so well with the rest of the family, and I am happy. So I think for her, I don't know, should I do you guys put your nini on the see what I'm doing? Do you connect your microwaves directly or do you plug it on the sockets? I think I'll just plug it on the sockets. Wow. Wow. So, yeah, the girl is working. The girl is working. Sweetie, sweetie, your girl is working. So, yeah, that's how it is inside. And it is working. Yeah, so I don't know. I think we'll test it. Let's see. Let's microwave some food on it. Guys, so we have some pillar over here. Let's see. Oh, and this plate is so wide and it's fitting. Why? So I think we set the time. I think I didn't set it properly. I don't know why it's doing that, guys. I don't know if it's me, my settings, or so my kettle has just gone back to its place. I don't know whether I should put I don't know whether I should put this ones over here anymore, because that used to be their home. I don't know. So for now, that's how they are. But I think we'll figure out a better place to put the blender and the toaster. I think we'll figure for them a better place to sit. For now, let them just sit here as we wait to rearrange them to where they're supposed to be. So yeah, that's it for now. Guys, so let me get the clothes from outside and then we start folding. Oh my goodness, I hate folding clothes. So this is how my closet is looking. Okay, it's not that bad. It's not that disarranged. I'm only going to add clothes here, the ones that are supposed to be added here, but the situation is not that bad. But this place, ooh, the lower shelf is looking terrible. So we are going to remove these ones, fold the ones that need to be folded, and then we arrange here in an orderly manner. Yes. So, guys, over here, it's a pile of trousers official wear. Over here is all wear. These are my t-shirts. These are my nephew and niece's clothes. These are my sister's clothes. This is a mix of home and official. There is a big haul that I need to do that I haven't done, guys. So I'll do it. Over here, my sleeping clothes, and then these are supposed to be hung. So let's store them. So guys, this is how my clothes turned out. You see now they're nicely folded, well arranged. So that's how the first part turned, and you guys can see there's still a lot of space over there, and these cabinets are big. Then those are my nephew and my niece's clothes, and my sisters. These ones I bought for them. Then these are master shukas for cuddling in the house, towels and sleeping clothes. And there, that side, they're just my home clothes. And you can still see the space over to the other side. So the closet has good space. Yeah, so how do you guys find the space? It really looks neat. Wow. And then on this other side, this is how the bed stands. Those are just my pillows. I like keeping my extension there with my phone as they charge. Yeah, and then just how neat is my bed. I feel it's so neat. It came out so well. Yeah, I love it. I like it. I love it. And this fleece blanket I thrifted from Think Twice. Yeah, from Think Twice. Everything, the duvet cover is thrifted, the pillowcases are thrifted, the bedsheet is thrifted, the round pillow neck pillow I got from Dr. Mattress. Yeah guys, so that's it. So guys, over here I just have some leftover food. This is not ice cream, it's leftover food. On this second shelf we have, this is yogurt, this is mala, mayonnaise and cooking cream. That's just sort of my milk shelf. And then down here, I'll not need to, here will I need to add anything? You know, probably I'll just need to add mala for the month and one more cooking cream. And then down here, there's still soda, but I think probably I'll need to add 2 liters of pineapple. Yes, 2 liters of pineapple and blackcurrant because they're out. Yeah, and then a liter of Coke too. And then, no, 2 liters Coke, 1 liter blackcurrant and maybe pineapple. And then down there I just have yogurt. We'll need to add yogurt. Water will refill. Tomato sauce I will not need to buy. That's my fresh juice. And then I think milk I buy randomly when I need to use because I don't take a lot of milk. Then down here guys, the tomatoes I need to refill. This tree tomato I'll buy again because I tried it, it was amazing. Down here we have mboga kienyeji, which we need to do more. We need to add more. This is leftover pilau. I'll need to add more eggs because the eggs are, we only have like 8 pieces of eggs left, so we need like a crate and a crate and a half. This is leftover this is leftover liver. I don't know what's inside here. Oh, that's another leftover liver. Behind there's chicken and I think some meat. And then on this fruit container we need to add mangoes. Yes, we'll need to add more fruits again for the month because what was left from last month will not be that much. And then here we just have my beef samosas, which is that. Yes. So guys, here we have meat. We've not cooked it, just put it on a cling film and wrapped it. Here we have chicken, here we have smoky, here we have dengu. I've also put this cooked rice on a cling film. What's this? This is beef brawn. This is 1 kg sausage. Behind there's more meat. So yeah, that's what is in the freezer. And then guys, I wanted to ask you this thing. How do you store your dates? Because me, I'll just put my dates in the fridge. How do you guys keep your dates? How do you store them? Is storing dates in the fridge okay or rightful? Please let me know on the comment section. So that's what we have on our fridge before restocking. So we'll come back and see what's available after restocking. Guys, if you've watched this video until this far, thank you so much for watching until the end. I love you. You are amazing. You guys just don't know how much you mean to me. As in, what would I do without you? Thank you, my subbies. Thank you, my Premier Gang members, for being here even when I'm not here. When the Premier is running and you guys are always here. And you're just the best people. Thank you so much. Yeah? yeah, see you on my next video next Friday 12 noon. See you then. Adios.